from Missouri Botanic Gardens.
This pretty much sums it up. We are honored to pass the torch to such a fierce competitor. The 2025 winners of the Water Lily Weigh-Off. Happy growing from the Mobot crew. Thank you, Missouri Botanic.
Miles, if you want to take it out and hold it.
Oh, yes. My dirty hands and all.
Oh, perfect.
Oh, what do you think, Miles?
It's beautiful. We have to keep it every
That's-
year.
Now, we have to get it inscribed for 2025.
We have brought victory back to Florida, and this trophy will remain ours for the next 10 years.
Ouch. People are, I mean, the gardens across the world are gunning for us. So we're going to have to, like, everything is going to be about lily pads.
Oh yeah, I'm calling our shot.
There it is.
All right. Thank you, Missouri. Thank you, Denver. Thank you, world, for tuning in and watching our shenanigans. All right. So, Brendan, you are the leader of this crew of Lord of the Lily Pads. Tell me, how does it feel to take home gold?
It's very nice. It's a wonderful opportunity to showcase all the many talents that this team has. It's a wonderful thing that Denver has decided to do, to put on the Water Lily Weigh-Off Challenge. You know, if no one had come up with it, we couldn't have won it.
All right. So you were on national news. What does it feel like?
It's very exciting, and I think that goes to show how much this has caught on and caught the attention of the public. It's a really wonderful event that so many people are participating in it across so many different countries, across so many different gardens, and it's just an excellent opportunity to raise the profile of all of the gardens in the country and potentially in the world.
All right. So, Taylor, this is your big win, your big trophy. How are you feeling?
Great. I'm on cloud 9.
All right. How did it feel swimming out in those alligator-infested waters?
Itchy.
Itchy. All right. So I think we should clue people in. It's not alligator-infested water. What would you say?
No, we don't really have alligators up here in the reflection pond. They don't often make the trek up the hill here. There are alligators nearby in the area, and they have ended up in the pond in the past, but we haven't had any for a few years. It's more of the depth of the pond is a challenge to work in, and the lily pads themselves with the multitude of spikes on the leaves do cause some irritation to the skin.
All right. So how deep is that water?
The deepest part in there is about 6 feet.
6 feet. All right. So what would you say your swim level is? Like expert level?
Expert. Trained
All right.
lifeguard.
So you have been called Florida Man. Any response to that?
No, I'm glad that we're actually having a Florida man who is not filmed doing something illegal or harmful to the environment.
Exactly. All right. One more big cheer. Yes. All right. So, Miles, you have become kind of like the sweetheart of the garden.
Really?
Yes.
I didn't know that.
All right. What did it feel like risking life and limb to go out there and create this championship moment?
Well, you know, I just relied on my, heart, relied on my strength, and my co-worker, my boss. We knew we were going to get the challenge completed. There was never a doubt in my mind.
Never a doubt.
Nope.
Now, you are, I guess, a fan of wrestling. What was kept you going that day?
Well, what kept me going? Well, to be the best, you got to beat the best.
And who said that?
Dusty Rhodes.
Dusty Rhodes.
And he also said, I'm the man of the hour, the tower of power, too sweet to be sour.
All right. Let's see you cheer one more time.
Hey.
All right.
And we'll have a bullseye on our back this next year. I know
It
what
is.
that's like. Everybody's going to want to beat us.
Now, are you worried about that?
No, we're going for 200 next year.
200.
Yes,
I think you can do more.
I do too.
All right,
Watch out.
Miles.
All
One more
right.
cheer.
Hooray, hey, go Box.
This is victory.
Yeah.